Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito Sharbat. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh mint leaves, ripe limes, sugar, and sparkling water. The key to a great Mojito Sharbat is fresh components. We'll start by preparing the base flavors, ensuring everything is ready for a refreshing drink. This initial step sets the stage for a perfectly balanced beverage. Now let's craft the flavor base. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle about 10 fresh mint leaves with 2 lime wedges. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can release bitter compounds from the mint. Next, add 2 tablespoons of simple syrup or granulated sugar if you prefer to the muddled mixture. This creates the sweet and tangy foundation for your Sharbat. With your flavor base ready, it's time to assemble your refreshing drink. Fill your chosen serving glass completely with ice cubes. Then, carefully pour the muddled mint, lime, and syrup mixture over the ice. Finally, top it all off with approximately 150 milliliters of sparkling water or club soda. This effervescence adds a delightful fizz to your Mojito Sharbat. To finish, garnish your Mojito Sharbat with a fresh mint sprig and a thin lime slice for an appealing presentation. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined before taking your first sip. This simple, refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. Also, for other great deals and to grab your own Little Trees black ice, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.